How to turn on and off save videos on UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Whether you want your videos to autosave for later use or prefer to keep things clean without storing extra files, UpScrolled makes it simple to toggle this feature anytime. First of all, open the UpScrolled application on your device, and from the home page, go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, click on the gear button on the top right. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to click on Media under Appearance and Media option. You look for Save Videos. To turn on Save Videos option, toggle on the button right next to Save Videos. This will automatically save the edited videos taken with UpScrolled's camera to your device. If you want to turn that off, you can toggle off the button right next to Save Videos just like you turned it on. And that's it. This is the button you'll need in order to switch on and off the Save Videos option on UpScrolled. Now your app will work exactly the way you prefer, whether you want to keep all your media or stay storage friendly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.